we're back. Okay, so the next thing we got to do is get this distributor hole fixed. So when you have the idler gear and everything in here, the distributor will not, the teeth do not mesh. This distributor is way too close. You can't put it down the hole. So this thing's machined in the wrong spot. So it needs to go in roughly 20 thousandths. And then the height was also cut about 30 thou too deep. And we cut another, what did we get, about 2 off of this, 2 to 3 off. Well, this was high on the outside, 1.5. So I cut about maybe 4 thou more off of that, so it's probably 35 thou off now, 34, 35, too low. The teeth's still engaged, but they're really at the very bottom of the engagement cycle, so it'd be best if this was shimmed up like 2 gaskets, basically. So I might do that. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead and indicate this hole, get it centered up on it, and then go up and down and see if it's actually at the same angle as what the case is right now. I can only go in just that far with this setup, so don't have much of a depth check here. My guess is probably going to be different, but who knows? All right, it's close. Matter of getting the hole dialed in now. Zero that out again. Hole seems out around. No, I'm just off center. Bad reflection right where I'm trying to look. It's probably the light's way back here behind you. That light back there is reflecting really bad. That one up there. Right on my lens. Right where I'm trying to look. More. Too much. Zero. Half up. -6. There's 4. Boom. It's about 0. Oh, that thing's touchy. That's a 3. Geez, that's a big movement for 3. the digital and the dial do not agree with each other on what I'm doing. I've had that issue before. Something moved. Where's the damn light at? Whole damn thing's a light. Need to block the damn light behind me. Yeah, block the light I can't see. There it is over. Yeah, it didn't work pretty well. Turn the light off, probably better. Okay. We're close. Back on the money. So a good half up right there. And about the same on this side. Tenths. And it's a big movement for what it says I did. +1, not 3, 1. That's good that way. Okay, I think we're pretty close now. A tenth of a thou makes a big difference. That tenth up there is like 3 down here. Okay, turn that light off. So it should be on the high spot of that 5. When you're looking at it going around, it's on the high spot of the 5. Okay, that's right in that spot there, which is about right here. Now, if we drop this thing down as far as I can go, without hitting anything, it's about right there. If the hole's straight, it won't change. Pretty damn close. Yeah, I'm going to call that pretty damn close. Okay, I like. So that means this hole was punched in pretty much the same angle this was cut at, which is good. I was figuring it'd be way off. Alright, I only went down about that far, but obviously the hole's 2 inches long. But alright, I'm good with that. And when you actually go up and down and look at it, you can see how it changes when you go up and down. Obviously, that's not good. And that's in the direction that it can't change. See, front to rear, it's not moving. Side to side, it is. Front to rear is controlled by this. Side to side is controlled by the plate. Wonderful. Yeah, look at it changes doing that one. That's stupid. Alright, so the direction I can't fix is the one that's the air. Okay, so I'm going to go with that. We got our dimension right there. I'm good with that. So now I got to figure out how much I want to move this over. And we had a bunch of numbers over here. So that's what 0.23 upside down there. 82, 23, and 59. Those are the drill bits I was using for centering. So 23 thou, it looks like at the max number, so that means I need 20 to 22 is what I need to move it over. And it needs to go that way because the gears are too tight in here. So that means we're going to go, you go up there and you move it 22 in the lower number, and that'll correct it. Alright, well, I'm not going to do that tonight. I'm going to go watch my videos where I went over this a lot. And I'm going to double check to see if I like what it's telling me I'm going to do. And if I'd like it, then I'm going to move it over that number. So, anyway, that's it for tonight on this. We got everything squared up that matters for now. So the distributor hole is what's going to have to get done next. And then after we do the distributor hole, I got to bore this 30 out down here, which would be easy to do. That's the easiest thing to do, so I'm not worried about that. Alright, that's it for now.